Did you know that with traditional methods, up to 15% of manufactured goods are rejected due to human error? But with tinyML devices designed with cAInvas, that number drops to less than 1%. That's a whopping 93% reduction in waste and a significant increase in efficiency. Are you ready to see how cAInvas can improve your business? Let's get started. The problem of human error in quality control is a significant one in the manufacturing industry. According to recent studies, up to 15% of manufactured goods are rejected due to human error. This results in significant financial losses, with estimates of $10 billion per year in wasted resources and increased costs for companies. In addition, human error in the quality. A tinyML solution designed with cAInvas can result in a reduction of up to 50% in the rejection rate of manufactured goods due to human error. Implementing tinyML on cAInvas can increase the production efficiency by 20%. Using tinyML technology on cAInvas can result in savings of $50,000 annually for a medium-sized manufacturing company. The ROI on a tinyML solution on cAInvas can be seen within 6 months. tinyML apps hosted on cAInvas has been proven to increase product quality by detecting defects that would have been missed by human inspection. The QA model is easily created by collecting good and defective dataset of the product in a tinyML platform like cAInvas with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. Resulting application is ported to a tinyML device that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection, so you can easily carry it or mount it in a quality control belt to improve the efficiency. Using tinyML solutions designed with cAInvas can bring significant benefits to the manufacturing industry, including increased efficiency, up to 25% reduced human error, up to 50% decrease in defective products, up to 30% increased revenue, an average of 15% labor cost savings, up to 40% huge market potential, over $100 billion by 2025. Implementing tinyML on edge devices allows for real-time monitoring and quality control in the manufacturing process, resulting in fewer defective products, increased efficiency, and cost savings. This makes tinyML apps on cAInvas valuable solutions for companies looking to improve their manufacturing process and stay competitive in the industry. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.